Analog stick? Okay, let's record. Hey, how's it going, everyone? My name is Fluff Cheekies. I'm here with my friend Psyker Chuck.
And I am Psyker Chuck. Where are you?
I'm right here in your face. I love you. And today we're gonna be playing White Noise.
I don't like you. You look like you put up too much.
Well, look at you. You're shorter than me. Huh?
Well, that's because I'm Ashley Jenkins. Leroy Jenkins.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
You should feel like crap, huh?
Yeah.
Dang it.
Yeah. Let's go then. Yeah. Okay, let's go this way. Let's go this way. Because if we get separated, some stuff are gonna happen.
Don't get separated, faggot.
Well, that's on you, because you always get separated.
Oh, you can also run by holding the RT button.
See, I didn't know that, you son of a bitch.
Did it?
Yeah, I'm too newbie for this.
Run, faggot, run.
Okay, I'm trying to go. Jesus, calm down. See, I'm just too slow. Okay, let's go. Running, running. So this is like a Slender game, right? But this time you gotta find tapes.
I hear a recorder.
I hear it too. Where could it be? Tell me if you find it.
Found it.
Oh, I see you. I see your lantern from here. Okay, we got 1 out of 8, which is good. That's pretty nice.
That's right. Let's go.
Okay, let's go this way.
Okay, this map is scary because it is in an alien base.
Yes. See, that guy looks like from the movie when what you call it? Alien against Predator.
Glowing dildos, because that also can kill you.
Those things? Go get close and show everyone what it does.
You don't look at it, but you can walk past it.
Hey, I love you. Can I go close to you? Just kidding. Whoa. I want to look at it. Hey, what do you call them green dildos for?
That green thing doesn't even have a Facebook. Or look at it. Doesn't have no social life. Let's go this way.
I'm going in here. Fuck the people. Yeah.
This way, you idiot. That door can't open.
Fuck! I'm stuck. Help! I'm stuck. Help! Okay, I'm out. Yeah. Can we jump?
You were just walking fine.
Wait, can we jump? Cause I just randomly jumped out of nowhere.
No, we just walked.
Oh. Let's go this way then.
Also, when you see Slender, which is the white buff man not doing anything.
No.
Just say
No.
Just say,
No. No.
Run this way.
No. Stop it. Hey. You look creepy as hell. You look like
Touch me. Come on.
Oh hey, I thought we were at the bathroom and like, what the fuck are you doing here?
I said book room, you idiot.
I thought I said bathroom.
Files.
What?
All these files.
Well, this is not a book room. You mean the files, right? Fire room. Yeah, let's go this way.
Files. That's what I just said.
Let's go this way. Yeah.
Thank you, room. Oh, also, what game type did you put the on? I don't see Slender.
I don't know. I think I either put it on Nightmare, Hard, or Easy. I'm confused.
I'm gonna kill you one day.
Hey, it's not my fault. I didn't know. I just started pressing the left analog stick, and I got confused.
Oh, okay. You heard that, right?
No.
You didn't hear what sound like dinosaur screams?
No. Are you crazy?
Oh.
You must be crazy, because I didn't hear anything.
Shut up.
Oh, I hear that. I hear it. Let's go this way. My character is so slow.
Oh, there's a prison room. There's a tape. There should be a tape.
Just stay at the walls, because I don't like this corridor's passage thing.
Turn around. Turn around.
No. I will. Hey. See?
Hey, it's no one.
I told you.
No,
You gotta trust me at least once in your life, bitch. Okay. Where should we go?
Don't go down that way.
Okay, let's go this way then. Okay. Yeah.
You gotta face forward. Or
yeah. Just getting close.
You see him?
My God, the sensitivity is so slow. No, I can see nothing. Oh, let's go this way. The cell thing.
Also, when your battery dies, you technically.
Yeah, you become a ghost. You hear that? Or I'm just crazy. Hello? Man, we need to find a tape. There gotta be something around here. Can we close this? I'm gonna play with my lantern. Just kidding. Okay. I think this was just useless to come over here. Cause I don't hear anything.
I'm behind you.
Oh my God, you scared the fuck out of me.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was just a shadow. No, you look like a shadow just standing there.
Well, that was actually Slender, just a black shadow.
Okay, let's go this way. Hello? Hello?
Ow!
Hello?
Anybody home? Alright, let's keep going.
Where are you? Oh shit, okay, let's go this way.
This way.
I don't see anything. Yeah. I think we just
Right.
yeah, I think we're just two idiots going round and round. The same place, so we don't know where we're going.
I think there's a tape in this room.
Where?
We take this track.
Okay, let's go. Dun 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 dun.
Stop running. God, you run like a fatty.
It's not my fault. Oh, that's why I'm slow. Wait, I think this is where we spawned. Did we? Because I told you there was a passway there, and I was like, oh, let's just take this one. And then I got stuck in that.
No, the door you got stuck in was in the hallway.
See? We're going in backward. We're going in circles.
No, we're not. We never saw the sign.
Okay, let's go to the train. Yeah, let's go to the train. Run.
Wait up, back up.
What's in here? Ah, damn it.
What?
Okay, there might be tapes on this thing, because this is unusual. This is very unusual. Let's go this way. You go that way, I'll go this way. Alright, yeah.
No!
Okay, let's stick together then. There's gotta be a tape close to here. Because they can't be just anything.
Right, we got one.
Yeah, and I think it starts appearing at like when you get two. Oh, hey, let's go this way.
Yeah, there's a tape over here.
Do you think?
I know. I played on this before. Over here. See? I want you to grab it.
Ah. Yeah.
Okay. Prepare for the rape to get, Thunderman is definitely gonna get us now. Come on, flashlight's on.
Now it's trying to disappear and then appear in your face. Let's go this way. Woo! What about this?
You can't go through that.
Can we? We can. What are you talking about? Yeah.
Not on the other side.
Yeah.
Right.
Wait, was that a dog?
Shut up, you idiot. Is that a dog, really?
No, I heard like bark. I was like, what?
Let's turn around at one. 1, 2, 3.
Nothing.
Okay. Just to be clear.
Oh shit, here it is. Oh, he disappeared. He was right there staring at us like, hey, how you doing? Kiss me. Oh shit, what happened? I don't know.
Oh, Baba Booey, Baba Booey, Baba Booey.
Run!
Okay.
Run!
Ah.
As farther as I can. Just keep going. Keep going forward. Where are you?
Oh, God,
Okay, just keep going.
I'm only 13. My birthday's in.
I got a YOLO turn around. Hey! Nothing happened.
Nothing.
Hello? Okay, there's nothing. Wait, do you think there's another camera on the trains area?
No.
Because we've been walking a lot.
Recording on the train.
Okay, let's let's go this way and check, just to be sure. Oh! Don't kill us.
Is there a
Just
white bird here to raid buses? I'm not trying to sound racist when I say white. I mean like literally white, real crayon color.
Ooh, he racist. Woo! I was kidding.
Shut up. Thank you.
I said I was kidding. Why is my flashlight just like being stupid?
What do you mean? It's like blinking?
Yeah, it's like blinking.
That means it's about to die out.
It looks retarded.
Looks like a flash show.
Just keep going forward. Yeah, keep going forward.
Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming.
Yeah, look at that. See, now it's blinking the most. What? Why? Let's press X.
Just turned around. So.
Yeah, I don't want to turn around.
Done as always.
Keep going forward.
Nothing.
Yeah, keep going forward. Oh, we end up in the library. We've been here.
Look. No, we haven't.
Yeah, this is where we got the first tape.
Oh, actually, yeah, we have.
Yeah, let's go back. Let's go to the missile area. Or the attack thing area.
Attack on Titan?
No. It's supposed to be right here.
Titan!
Dun 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 dun. No, it's good. Let's go this way. Hey, I see a camera. Hey! Hello?
Radiation.
Yeah, radiation thing. Should go there.
You're a green dick.
Why do you call it green dicks? Oh, there it is. Hey! Just don't look at it. Let's go. Whoa. That looks creepy.
Thunder. Flash mob.
No, we're just going in circles. Let's go back this way.
That's a circle, fool. Let's go this way. Right, left. Left, right, left, right, left.
Oh, I thought I lost you, and I was like, okay, this is getting worse.
Where'd you go?
There must be a tape here.
Has to. But there was a tape in the prison.
How do you know?
I heard it.
Then why didn't you look for it or told me?
I said.
You didn't say nothing. Let's go back to the jail. See, Michael? You gotta pay attention next time.
You know what? Shut up.
You're short.
Get those wrinkles off your mouth.
You're short.
You got wrinkles all over your body. Oh, that looks like a dildo or a wet.
Wait, do you think it was one of them things that you said?
What?
The green thing? Do you think it was? Oh, hey, this is a new place. This is a new place.
Oh, Baba Booey, Baba Booey, Baba Booey, Baba Booey.
Oh,
right next to us.
Run! Run!
Baba Booey.
Where are you? Oh shit! I haven't been here. I heard you scream.
Dude.
That is the most derpy scream I've ever heard. Oh, hey.
Dude.
Wait, do you die?
I died. I'm a ghost now.
You bitch! Why? I can't do this on my own. What are you thinking?
I haven't turned around.
Oh shit! Hey! Wait, you. I hear something.
There's a tape on the submarine. Let me look real quick.
I want to do it. Is it? I hear something.
What does it sound like? Radiation again?
I'm not sure 100%, but I heard something.
Does it sound like radiation or a scratching noise?
I told you I'm not 100% sure, you idiot.
Hashtag brokers.
What the fuck? Okay.
There's one in somewhere in this room.
Hey, we're back to the jails.
Oh yeah. Okay, you might hear one once you get in the door.
Okay, I still don't hear anything.
I heard it.
Where?
Over here. Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet. Sitting on the toilet.
Wait, is that a toilet? Oh, that's legit. That song was stuck in my head for like 1 week. Are you gonna sing it now? Yeah, it was legitimately stuck in my head for like 1 week. I'm getting the feeling I'm gonna turn around like a boss. Yeah.
What you got on me, Slender? Oh, let's go in this room.
Come at me, bro. Oh yeah, let's go this way. I can handle you.
Come at me, bro.
Dude, if this thing was uneasy, I'm gonna be ashamed of myself.
Yeah, you should be ashamed because it'll be uneasy. To have a no totally.
Why?
I'm hearing whispers inside your head. I can hear your thoughts.
Wait, really?
I can hear your thoughts.
I can't. How?
I hear them inside your head.
Oh, jails.
Hear your thoughts. I know what you're thinking about me.
Dude, I feel like I'm going just in circles.
We all feel like that, but that's just the game's map.
That's creepy as hell. Okay, I've been there.
Everything's blue.
Keep walking forward.
Just keep swimming. Just keep swimming.
What the fuck? Let's keep going. Hello?
Raving man, we hear your whispers.
Man, how far is this thing? Oh shit! Oh.
Say Baba Booey, that's a safety word. Say Baba Booey, that's a safety word.
No. I'm not going in there.
Oh yeah, this time he'll appear and stay there until you run away.
What?
Yeah, he'll appear and stay where he teleported at until you run away from him.
I can hear him breathing.
Buzz, you just looked at me with a seductive face, too.
Hey, he disappeared. Oh! He wants me.
Like a whip.
He wants me. No turning around. No. Hello.
I turn around, I don't see him.
Hey.
Hello. Hey, he's gone. I can go there again.
Yeah.
You have no regrets.
I don't.
Let's just keep going down this way.
I am. Dude, this is getting scary as hell. Oh, I see him. Run. Run.
No!
When are we going to get there? Oh, this is a train, so I was going backwards the whole time.
This way then, come on. This way, you idiot!
Okay.
Hey, what happened?
No, no, I'm not going there. You can go.
What happened with you?
You can go without me.
What happened with you behind me?
Yes.
Linda's my friend. Now that I'm dead.
Oh, you scared me. You scared me, son of a bitch.
This way.
Okay. I'm gonna trust you.
Actually, no, let's go the other way.
Are you sure?
Yeah, why?
Oh my god, I'm really so fucking scared.
Everything I see is now blue and yellow. Or, no, it's blue and a greenish type of thing.
Lucky you can
Everything
see.
you see is black and... Everything you see is black and looks like stone.
Yeah. How do you know?
I played on your perspective. We didn't collect the tape in this room.
We did, didn't we?
No, we collected the tape in the box room.
Well, I don't see no tape.
Where'd you go?
I am not going that way. I am not going that way. Hello? I don't see no tape. Wait for me. Where do you go? Michael?
Turn around.
Where are you? Hey! I thought I lost you.
I'm not gay.
No, I didn't say that. God, there's no tape in this room. Just keep searching. Just keep searching.
More files. Guys in the office must hate this job. Where are you?
Oh! I found the alien thingamajigger. I think there's gotta be
there's one in there. The alien breathing chamber.
I hear it.
There's one somewhere. There it is. I think it's next to the crane.
Where is it? Dude, he's just staring at me behind me like, hey, how you doing?
You got that.
I shouldn't have got close to him. I don't like this game.
You got that.
I don't like this game. Hey, I list that.
Alright guys, that's where we're gonna end it off.
No, we're not.
This is Friend of White Noise. It's a game for pretty much $1 or 80 Microsoft points on the Xbox. It's an indie game. So you can check it out and get scared to death with your friends. There's only 4 players. And yeah.
What she said. And
I'm Sidecar Chuck. This is supposed to be aka Ivan, aka El Deli. And you can go check out all his videos because I'm trying to.
what the f?
Bye!
Bye! Bye! Bye! And don't forget to subscribe. And yeah.